And for the best app, an electric-powered 1981 classic DeLorean. Obviously, this isn't your average coding contest. We're talking about a competition that inspires apps that solve problems, bring joy, make people's lives easier, and even change the world. After all, it's not just every day we have Christopher Lloyd in our videos. What a legend. Okay. Before we get too far ahead of ourselves, you'll actually need to build an app to show off that Gemini magic. Fortunately,
Yo, hold on. Fix this here.
we've created a playlist of the best videos from all across the YouTubeverse to walk you through how to use the Gemini API, like Build with Google AI, where Joe walks you through examples of apps built with the Gemini API. There's a link to the playlist with this series in the description of this video. And if you're more of a reader, you can go straight to ai.google.dev/docs to jump right into the documentation. Okay, I know the prospect of getting your feet wet with code is exciting, but before you run off and start tinkering, I want to show you how to submit your app. So let's talk about your video submission. Not only is it the way for our team of judges to pick a winner for each category, you'll also be showing the world what you've created. If you've never made a video, it's okay. Here are my top tips for nailing your video submission. First off, less speaking and more showing. This isn't a research paper, and we want to see your app in action, so think demos rather than lectures. Basically, don't do what I'm doing in this video. Next, you'll want to keep it to 3 minutes or less. We want to see and hear about what your app does. We don't need the entire saga of its backend. We're giving points to folks who show extra creativity. But remember, your video could be seen by the whole internet if you win, so let's keep it PG-13-ish. But do have fun with it. Use whatever camera, phone, editing app, friend, sock puppet collection, or other video creation magic you have on hand. And finally, it goes without saying, but make sure that Gemini is the star. Showcase how this AI powerhouse fuels your app. The easier it is to see how Gemini makes it all possible, the easier our judges will be able to consider you for a prize. Once your video is ready, upload it to YouTube and submit the URL on ai.google.dev/competition. If you're uploading anywhere else to show the world, remember to use the hashtag #BuildWithGemini. More eyes on your video means a better chance to win the People's Choice Award. We seriously cannot wait to see what you make. Happy inventing!
I think I need headphones because we get the double sound. Is shit working? I don't think I have chat, dude. I don't have shit. But yeah, welcome to a possible stream. Possibly. We're gonna be looking at Google Gemini. Am I muted? I'm not. Google Gemini submissions. Okay, no, we good. Am I muted? I'm not. Offline on Twitch. Offline on Twitch. No, we good. No. I'm not. Nice. Offline on Twitch. Yo, hard spell. Okay, I think we're good. So, yeah, I submitted my application probably too soon. I definitely shouldn't have submitted it. I could have definitely made the video a lot better. I just kind of wanted to get it over and done with, so I just submitted with this video.
Nicolas Cage can significantly enhance web accessibility for individuals.
Low AF quality. I think I did the demos. I did a lot of demos, which was good, but I need a hotkey for this. Oh well. But what did I didn't do? I didn't talk about Gemini enough.
Nicolas Cage is a Chrome extension powered by the Google Gemini API. It takes a natural language goal prompt and executes actions on the web to achieve that goal. Nicolas Cage can significantly enhance web accessibility for individuals who have limited fine motor skills or have trouble navigating complex websites. It can currently be used in conjunction with existing accessibility software, but in the future we hope to have our own voice input and other features inbuilt. For everyone else, Nicolas Cage can help with efficiency, productivity, and general convenience of doing things online, which we're all doing every day, like managing emails, calendars, submitting forms, applying for visas and other applications, booking stuff, booking haircuts. Very simple to use. You just provide your goal and press submit, and Clickless Cage will take the actions online to complete your goal. It's completely open source on GitHub, so feel free to check it out and have a play. Thank you. Yo, could have been better. Could have been a lot better, but at least we submitted. It was a pretty easy submission process other than the video. Just like 2 questions. Mind you know I will be on the 10th. You want those features but don't ever work on it? No, that's the thing. I spent the last like 2 weeks or week and a half working on it. This is real. And I can show it right now. Actually, I will work on Clickless Cage, but I think we wanted to see other submissions. I don't know if we get 3 ones in the chat. Watch how to submit? Yeah, that's what we did at the start. Show it? Alright, what prompt? Dark sky. Hold on, I gotta start it. Start it up. Alright, this is how you start Clickless Cage. You CD into it. And then you CD into Clickless Cage inside Clickless Cage Inception. I set up a actually you could just go yarn dev in one window. And then in another window you have to Clickless run Cage the can significantly
gateway.
enhance web accessibility. For
So you need the front end and the gateway, and then you should have Clickless Cage. Make it do reCAPTCHA? I don't think it can do reCAPTCHA. That's not one of its features. It can browse, it can click buttons, type text, and go to different sites. We get chat here. Same chat. What about do a Google search? Search for dark sky full of stars on Google and click the first link. Can it make tunes on Suno? Yeah, I think it could. We'll try that next. Let's have it do a Google search. There we go. Dark sky full of stars. Will it click the first link? I've put a like 3-second sleep on it. I'm not sure what it clicked. Now it's Google searching again. And again. And again. Alright, I think it's in a loop now, so we'll stop it. Fail. I've worked on kind of one use case, and that's making a calendar event. Alright, let's try and make a song on Suno. Make a song about the Twitch chat in Suno.com. Not sure if it knows about Suno, that's why I did Suno.com. Oh, it searched Twitch chat in Suno.com. It doesn't know what Suno is. I should have specified, like, either it's... Oh, here we go. It's gonna find the song. It's found the song here. Let's see if it plays it. Click on similar. Oh, it's clicked on a different song now. Almost. I think if we give it one more prompt. The other thing is, like, every time you run this, you kind of get a different result. Nobody uses Google Calendars. I think a lot of people use Google Calendar. Let's see. Let's see. What's the most popular online calendar? Maybe like iCloud. Google Calendar, according to Google. Um, Outlook. Outlook's probably pretty popular because of Microsoft. It's definitely top 10. Yo, Flash, what's up? Go to suno.com and create a song. Here we go. Can Clickless Cage create a song on Suno? It's on the website. I should turn off the speed, the sleep. I also like to look at the logs. Kind of like gives you more of an understanding. Here. Here we go, error, yeah. I sometimes get this error, I don't know why. It like finds the element but clicks on the wrong thing or a wrong selector. Let's try it one more time. On my phone, do it. There it is. Yeah, looks like it can't create a song on Suno either. We can try it. My model changing doesn't work either. A lot of stuff doesn't work, but Google Calendar works kind of reliably. Google say if your project gets error, then they have the right to disqualify you. Yeah, that's fair enough. Everything I showed in the demo though was legit. The thing about these LLMs is they don't always output the same thing given the same thing, so you can have like two different flows given the same input prompt. What about go to YouTube and find Tech Friend live stream and leave a comment on the chat. Yo, Vortex, I'm just showing off this what do you call it? Chrome extension that I made. I failed to go to my Is this using Gemini? Yeah. Failed to go to my thing. It's been failing a lot. Try one more time. Go to YouTube and find Tech Friend channel. Find channel at Tech Friend. Then click on the live stream and message the chat. Yo, Zala, what's up? Oh, it keeps going to this URL, c/techfriend, doesn't exist. Oh, then it went to a random video URL. Let's see what it does from here. Oh, is there a bug here? Connects with HTTP. Shouldn't fail there. We got a non-URL. All right, let me give it the URL. Go to youtube.com/@techfriend and comment and click in the live stream video. Reviewing the submissions that Discord members have submitted. That is what I was originally gonna do. Oh, there we go. Hold on. The submissions that Discord members have submitted. It almost did it. That is what I was originally gonna do. Oh, there we go. Hold on. The submissions that Discord. Oh, it doesn't know it's on the live stream. That is what I was originally gonna do. Oh, there we go. That is something I want to add. Oh, it doesn't know it's on the live stream. Okay, so it's like that is something not very reliable at doing random shit. But let me just try the Google Calendar thing, and I reckon it'll work first try. Famous last words. For 11:30 p.m. I didn't even say what the title was. Wonder if it'll struggle. I'm definitely gonna add like a chat box so you can talk to it mid execution, but you can't do that yet. 11:30 event. Yes, that's a good title. Even though I wrote it twice. Damn it. We were so close. 3 times. How many times will it write it? Honestly, I blame Gemini Flash. Maybe if I was using Gemini Pro, it wouldn't suggest to keep writing the title like 5, 6 times. Okay, now it's gonna press the save button. This might be in the way. Plenty of bugs, but yeah. Don't you think it's a startup that will win this contest? Says Ripe here. Yeah. I don't think there's anything against startups winning. It definitely makes sense for them to win because they like work on their projects full time, probably if they're a serious startup. All right, let's go through some submissions. There was this 3D game one that dude
AI,
posted in my
tell me
Discord.
what kind of game would you like?
Forgot his name. What was his name? Dim Sum. Yeah, I was chatting to Dim Sum this morning.
To create?
Hi Gemini, how are you? Can you help me to create a fighting game, please?
Hello? Let's create a new game.
Oh, cool. Show the player idle animation.
These freaking sirens.
Great, thank you. Now, can you set the
Wow,
game
thanks.
fighting arena to something more professional? Cool, now show the opponent idle animation.
Got it.
This is great. Now allow the player to jump, move, kick, and punch, please.
That's amazing.
Cool, this is very nice.
Wonderful.
Yeah, great. Now, what I want you to
Super.
do is, you know what? Never mind. I would like to create a car racing game, please.
Pig switch out.
Gemini, I would like to create a car racing game.
Okay. Let's create a new game.
Oh, this is great.
Bro, as the physics and everything.
Switch the car to a faster car, please.
Okay.
Yeah, this is good. I like this car. Thank you. Now add some background, please.
Absolutely.
Yeah, very good. I like it. Now, can you help me to export this game to Android, please?
No problem. Let's create a new game.
Car race. Okay. Now, hopefully, we will see the Android project with all the source code. Yeah, yeah. Finish compiling. Now I can test it. Let's test it out. Let's try it out. Yeah, here is our game installed on our Android device. Now let's start it. And we can use the joystick here
What?
to play our game exactly as we created it.
Is that from the same
And
code base?
also, here we can see
The hell?
two versions of our
Pretty
game.
crazy.
One
Crazy if true.
version is the PC version, and the other one is the Android version. Okay, so the mobile version. So both of the games were created automatically by the Gemini AI agent. That's it. Bye bye.
You want the competition link? I'll put it in. Wait, can I put it in the bio? Let's see. Let's see if I can edit the description from here. Well, actually, you're on YouTube, so I should be able to do it from here. Content. Live stream. This one. Bam. Now. Bam. Yeah, it should be there. I don't know. Maybe you need to refresh. You submitting for the comp? Yeah, I submitted, man. I submitted too early. I submitted my you can see it if you go to my profile. I submitted too early. This is my submission. I could have definitely made a better video.
Clickerless Cage is a Chrome extension powered by the Google Gemini API. It takes a natural language goal prompt and executes actions on the web to achieve that goal. Clickerless Cage can significantly...
Yeah, you can check it out. I think I've already shown it. But yeah, this one, we just watched this Magic 3D game creator one together. And yeah, people are saying it's gonna win. Vortex and Flash. And Oxford found like the the map of how it works. Let's have a look. So user input dialog, speech to text, reaction manager, partial scene reaction. I want to know like how much of it is hard coded, right? Like I think he has like a set amount of characters and maybe a set amount of models, obviously, because it's not generating models, it's probably just generating the config, right? I don't know, so many questions. Is it open source? Detailed tech explanations, okay. Gemini analyzes user input, assembly for real-time speech. Suno creates music. That's pretty cool. Oh no. 3D rendering by JMonkey Engine. Okay, rendering, but not modeling. Okay, so it's Java. I mean, that makes sense because the Android game. Physics, vehicle. And these got packages for some physics and vehicle simulation. So we can assume that Gemini didn't write the physics
either of the times, maybe. Or at least just uses the libraries. Yeah. Okay. Should we go to the next submission? How do I keep losing? Alpha Cortex. Select the better AI. I was like Limpsys. Urban Green. Someone linked me this and said it was really cool. Let's watch
Images
this
if
again.
Imagine a city full of life, flowers on every corner, and thriving plants along the roads. This isn't just a dream, it's possible. With the help of Urban Green, caring
Oh,
for
yeah.
a few neighborhood plants can make a big difference. Let's grow a greeny plants yet, so your garden is empty. If you step over to Plants Nearby, you can discover plants in your neighborhood that need care and can be adopted. Let's adopt this rose and add it to your garden. You are now responsible for this plant and its health. But don't worry, if you cannot do this anymore, just share it with the community again. Before we continue with our rose, let's talk about how new plants get added to the community. If you discover a plant in your city that needs care and could be adopted by someone, whether you want to be the one or not, you can add it to Urban Green and share it with the community. To do that, tap on the plus in the bottom right and take a picture of the plant. Here's where the core of Urban Green comes in for the first time. Gemini AI. Gemini AI analyzes the type of plant, assesses the care level of the plant, and provides a few details. Now, you can add the new plant to your own garden, or share it with the community to make it adoptable for other people. Let's discover what to do with your adopted plants. First, you have to head over to your plant to do a quick setup. Gemini will ask you questions regarding your plant, and will guide you step by step how to care for it. For example, this rose bush needs about 10 liters of water in about 7 days, and it should get fertilized too. Then, you can set a care reminder for doing these things. If you have any further questions, just ask. You can add images if necessary, and Gemini will give you detailed tips to keep your plant healthy. If you're finished, just tap done. That's it. In 7 days, you will get a notification that remembers you to care for your plant. In the meantime, you can access your to-do list by tapping on the plant in your garden. If you got a notification and you headed over to your plant, it is your time to take action. Do the tasks provided by Gemini to keep your plant happy and alive. And again, if you have questions, for example, about any pests, just ask Gemini. Next, when you're done,
Pretty good.
tap
I think like the delivery was a bit boring at the start, but the kind of idea is pretty cool.
In today's society, communication is everything. But what happens when it becomes overwhelming? Each year, research has shown that scammers take $28 billion from Americans aged 60 and older. Those with dementia lose around $39,000 annually.
I do like this problem as well.
Scammers circling like vultures, preying on the weak. But that's not all. Businesses are missing out on opportunities. Sales teams are struggling to keep up. Leads slipping away. Customer support are overwhelmed, unable to meet 24/7 demands. What if there was a way to turn the tide? What if we could harness the power of AI to shield the vulnerable, supercharge sales, and revolutionize customer support? What if one solution could transform the entire landscape of communication? Introducing Nexus AI. Powered by Google Gemini, Nexus AI is revolutionizing and rewriting the rules of the game. With Nexus, you're one agent away from changing the narrative.
Wait, is this
Start
Nexus?
by setting up an anti-theft agent.
Oh shit. Sorry. It was just
In
building
today's
up.
society, forward all suspicious calls to that number and let Nexus scam and unknown calls. Next,
Wait.
Nexus AI. Powered by Google Gemini, Nexus AI is revolutionizing and rewriting the rules of the game. With Nexus, you're one agent away from changing the narrative. Start by setting up an anti-theft agent designed to handle scam and unknown calls. Next, get a custom number just for this purpose.
The music.
Add your original final forwarding number and forward all
Wait, I got confused because I've been wanting to do a thing with Nexus GPT, but I think that's different from what these guys just said. Nexus AI. I don't think they even come up for dentists. How's that so loud? Oh, it's so soft for you.
seat, relax, and watch Nexus in action. Nexus will run series of questions with the caller to identify.
My full name is John.
Hi, John. What message would you like me to pass to the recipient?
Yes, I would love to
That's my
invite
favorite.
the recipient for a job happening in the UK.
Got it, John. What is the role you would like to invite me for?
So it's basically a software engineering role.
Could you clarify what you mean by play software engineering?
Yeah, it's meant to be 3 minutes, eh?
Images if
Should we watch finish that? So
In
you set
today,
up an agent
to
that
identify-
takes your phone calls for you? Okay. He's showing the billing.
Number just for this purpose. This in action.
Alright.
images
Agents Gemini. It's like a Streamlit app. Hey, it's me. Alright, this one's only 15 seconds. Cricket commentator. Yeah, 58 seconds.
Welcome to Battle Task, where productivity meets RPG fun. Imagine turning your daily tasks and habits into epic quests, where every to-do is a step towards defeating a fearsome monster. Powered by Gemini AI,
That's pretty cool.
Battle Task analyzes your everyday goals and transforms them into immersive stories, where each monster you defeat represents a personal challenge you've conquered. Whether it's slaying the procrastination dragon or conquering the beast of chores, Battle Task makes productivity a game worth playing. Gemini AI also breathes life into your characters, creating unique interactions with each adventure. Experience new stories every time as your team faces challenges together.
Sick.
Level up your life with Battle Task and turn your daily routine into a legendary journey.
I think that's pretty cool. Did they give the link? Nope. Movie idea? Movie AI idea.
You have any idea how incredible your ideas are? Some of your ideas are just so brilliant that you need to hear it, because those ideas could change everything. Sometimes it's hard to see that potential, isn't it? We get wrapped up in fear and doubt and everyday life noise, and we neglect our cool ideas. But let me tell you something, those ideas are worth nurturing. We have the power to create, to change, to inspire. Imagine what could happen if you just let those ideas flow. Maybe it's a movie that's been playing in your head for many years. Maybe it's a story you always wanted to tell. But where do you start?
How do you organize all these thoughts and visions? That's where Movie AI Idea comes in. Movie AI Idea helps you build a skeleton of your script with images so you can fill up the meat with your ideas in your own time. Using Google Gemini's advanced AI, it provides structure and guidance, making sure your vision comes to life just as you imagined. Start trusting your creativity and start using
Neptune AI helps scientists and researchers analyze their data by automating tedious data cleaning tasks, running statistical tests, making charts, and more. Let's see how it works. You start by uploading some data files you want to analyze. You can then ask questions about your data. I have some synthetic data on the effect of a drug on cholesterol levels. Let's find out if there is a difference in cholesterol levels before and after treatment. For each question, the Gemini API is used to plan and execute the steps required to answer the question. The Gemini models also generate the Python code necessary to accomplish each step. In this case, we start by first inspecting the available data. Depending on the question, at the end of the analysis, the Gemini API offers suggestions for follow-up analysis. The Gemini API offers suggestions for follow-up analysis. I like the suggestion to generate a visualization. Let's go with that. With access to code, creates a simple yet powerful tool for scientists.
It's just the kind of code interpreter thing that ChatGPT has, but with Gemini. And not open source, I assume. Oh, they have a website? Pretty nice landing page too. More? Oh, people really like this one actually. It's in the
High school,
Discord.
a time where students struggle to stay organized, build endless assignments, and cram for exams. But what if we use Gemini to change them? To help us with our homework, to give us new practice questions, to act as a 24/7 tutor that we can learn from? And what if it was an application made by high school students, for high school students, to push education to new limits?
To all viewers and judges, my name is Nico Rao. And my name is Vinay Rao, and we're incoming juniors at Doherty Valley High School in San Ramon, California. Using the following tech stack, we were able to build a web app integrating the power of Gemini to serve the needs of millions of high school students. Let's jump right in.
Upon loading the web app onto your computer, you'll be greeted by a fast and responsive landing page. Let's create an account by clicking the Get Started button here, and our authentication system is powered by Firebase and Google. Upon logging in, you'll be greeted by an onboard section where you can select your courses. All of these courses are generated by Gemini, and this helps personalize the app for yourself.
After filling out all those details, we're taken to a dashboard designed to enhance productivity. Now, let's see another instance of Gemini at our app. Flashcards are an effective way to learn. Let's create a new flashcard set with the power of Gemini. There are 3 main ways to generate flashcards.
People said that you had to be like of age, or like major age or something, and like they couldn't submit under their own names.
Through class-specific units, which are generated in line up with the real curriculum thanks to Gemini. Another way is prompting, as can be seen here. Oftentimes, users will create flashcards through images. I've uploaded a picture of some Spanish terms in my vocab sheet, and as I click create, the flashcards will be generated seamlessly through Gemini. After the generation is complete, we will see the cards laid out. Everything on this page is completely generated by Gemini and is editable. I can add to any terms, definitions, or create my own cards in my set. After I like how everything looks, I can save the set and practice it within the app. Additionally, we have the option to export the entire set to Quizlet, a popular application students use.
Our next feature is a realistic question generator powered by Gemini. It has 2 main ways to generate questions, based on an image or a prompt. All prompts are protected by validation through Gemini, as can be seen here. Let's generate words and context questions for the new digital SAT. As I generate questions, I will have the option to make it public and add to the marketplace, which we'll talk about more later, or private for secure practice. Once I save my problem set, I can access it through a comprehensive viewer, which allows me to answer questions with feedback upon submission, or view Gemini crafted answer key. I can also print the problems out as a worksheet and check my answers with the app later. Stuck on a concept? No problem, as I can post in the community discussion for this specific question set. I can even use Gemini to help me answer my question in the context of the problem set created. Not only that, but others can respond to me through Firebase's real-time database, encouraging live collaboration.
Another one of our key features is the Study Assist chatbot. Let's ask a simple question. We can see a step-by-step solution provided to help me learn. The bot is perfectly integrated with the rest of the app, as I can browse through my created problem sets and ask the bot to explain the question and the answer. Struggling on a specific concept? We have a tutor mode designed for every class, designed for detailed learning, powered by Gemini. It works by walking me through requested concepts and gives me mini quizzes.
They just crammed so many features into this.
along the way. If I get
They just make 3 minutes.
it wrong, I get hints to help me learn from my mistakes.
Another feature through Gemini is the creation of an algorithmic feed and an AI-based search engine. The marketplace is used to find and recommend content for you to study. You can use our AI-powered search to find content you want to study, and Gemini will order the results based on the best match. We also use Gemini to recommend content based on your activity, further enhancing user experience.
This last feature revolves around customization, as you can change your background theme and color profile. These changes update in real time and are stored in Firebase, so the settings are persistent for each user, making the app fun to use.
I had that sped up no, I didn't. I didn't even have that sped up. They sped it up. Dude, they just had so many different features. Like, oh yeah, and also this. Oh, and one last feature, this. Irish wants to give a link of their product. Yeah, go for it. I don't think you can send links on YouTube, but maybe Discord. We'll watch another one while we wait. Oh, this one looks nice. Chat with GitHub repo.
So hi, this is my submission for the Gemini AI competition, and I have built a Google Chrome extension named CodeKitty, and what it actually does, it actually explain a GitHub repository, and you can chat with a GitHub repository to understand its code base, understand its files using Gemini AI API in the backend. So let's see how it actually works. So you can see here I have opened a repository from Google Gemini, which is Gemini AI.js library, I think something like library or SDK. So here you can see the multiple buttons from the AI from the Google Chrome extension, the explain button, open button, and a CodeKitty button. And let's start with the explain button. So when you tap the explain button, it actually briefly explain the repository. So let's start. Here you can see a side panel has just opened and it explaining the repository. Here you can see that explain all these GitHub repository files pointwise, and it is actually explaining the GitHub repo files here, all the files what actually the files do here. You can see the readme file, package.json file, the core metadata file, unlock file, and it can actually read the readme. So you can actually ask questions. But here the side panel has the context of only the current page, so it can actually answer questions from the current DOM or current web page, not the whole repo. So I can actually start asking questions file. What is dot ptrc file doing here? So let's see what it actually gives me. So here it is explaining the ptrc file consisted code style, and it always explains pointwise. That is a good thing. Reduce arguments, whatever the thing is. Okay, so it can actually explain the file. Now I will go to the some individual file to understand the code. You can see that I opened a code file, request.ts TypeScript file, and this is pretty much a big code with line 231. So what you can do actually, you can just open the panel and ask questions about this code. What I will just ask explain this code here. Okay, it will take time, and it is explaining the whole code. It is explaining further ask questions about, or what you can do, you can just select a code block, and here I explain.
Introducing WikiWord, a spoiler-free wiki. While reading a book or watching a show, most people need a refresher on, say, a chapter or a character. The first approach for most people would be to do a Google search.
IntelliChat, powered with Gemini AI. This app provides audio message description, image and video message description, unread messages summarization, long message summarization, AI bot assistant, and message localization. Let's start with audio message description. This feature allows you to know the content of audio messages without playing them. This gives you greater privacy, avoiding potentially awkward situations, notifications with the audio content. See this demo example of audio message description.
Hey, where were you today? I waited for you.
The same with image and video message description feature. Let's see an example with an image. Next feature is unread messages summarization. Summarizes unread group messages and gauges the conversation's mood. This makes you stay informed without hassle and save time.
In today's society, communication is everything. But what happens when it becomes overwhelming? Introducing Nexus AI. Powered by Google Gemini, Nexus AI is revolutionizing and rewriting the rules of the game. With Nexus, you're one agent away from changing the narrative. Start by setting up an anti-theft agent designed to handle scam and unknown calls. Next, get a custom number just for this purpose. Suspicious calls to that number and let Nexus AI take over. Sit, relax, and watch Nexus in action. Nexus will run a series of questions with the caller to identify if the call seems suspicious enough.
Great, thanks for asking. Could you please tell me your full name?
Yeah, my full name is John.
Hi, John. What message would you like me to pass to the recipient?
Yes, I would love to invite the recipient for a job happening in the UK.
Got it, John. What is the role you would like to invite me for?
So it's basically a software engineering role.
Could you clarify what you mean by play software engineering, John?
No, I meant it's a software engineering role.
Could you clarify how you know John?
I know John as a workmate. He's my colleague at work.
John, can you please tell me how you got this number?
I got John's number from his resume.
Understood, John. I'll pass that information to the recipient. Have a great day.
Also, an SMS message would be sent to you with a link where you could view the conversations between your agent and the caller, view the caller location, and lastly get an overall analysis of the call with actions you might want to take. With Nexus, your sales calls can be handled efficiently. Simply create an agent to handle all sales calls. You could either use the purchase number as your default business number or forward all incoming calls from your business number to that number. Add knowledge base where questions would be answered from. You could choose to add an integration where customers could book an appointment with you. Now, sit, relax, and let Nexus do the rest.
Hi, you've reached Sophie. How can I help you today?
Hi Sophie, what services do you offer?
Hi there. TechWave Solutions offers a wide range of services, including software development, IT consulting, cloud computing solutions, cybersecurity, data analytics, AI and machine learning, web development, mobile app development, IT support and maintenance, and network solutions. Is there a particular service you're interested in?
Oh, that's really great.
When your customer
I would love to
decides
speak
to
with
speak
your
to you
manager.
or your business,
Noted, your call would be
Nexus
transferred shortly.
seamlessly escalates it to the original user or business number, ensuring that every customer interaction is handled with the utmost care. Nexus AI seamlessly provides 24/7 customer support through our smart chatbot, ensuring you never miss a customer inquiry.
But I don't have a website for my business. What do I do?
No problem, we got you covered. For businesses without a website, but with a medium to large Telegram user base, can easily with a click of a button connect Nexus to their group and manage all customer inquiries. Nexus offers sentiment analysis for every conversation, whether in an unknown call or sales calls, giving you valuable insight without the need for deep dives. With Nexus AI, you're not just keeping up.
Yo, I think it's a pretty good idea, and product looks really good too, but the demo, man, demo is definitely too long. And yeah, that was pretty good. Yo, Paul, my live says you are, but I have no audio. Oh. Was there no audio? Oh, that was definitely audio. It's your issue with the audio. Yeah, Pipecat's pretty good. I like Vappy and Millis. They're pretty good too. Microphone in
Welcome to Vappy. I'm an assistant that you can talk to like a person. So,
Hello?
how's your day going?
No, it doesn't seem. I can use my mic. Surely I can. Hold on. What if I use a different mic?
Oh, I see. I see what you're getting at. It's not about the mic, it's about
Oh,
the
you can.
capabilities of the Vappy platform. Well, I mean, you could definitely try using a different microphone to see if that helps. It might improve the audio quality and make our conversation even
Yeah, that sounds way better.
great. I'm glad to hear that. So, what can I help you with today? Sure thing. I'm here to chat about anything you'd like.
And then Millis AI, I think it's pretty good too. I don't know what.
Hello there. How can I assist you today?
Okay, no, that one doesn't sound as good. What was a Pipecat demo? What are they using for? Speech to text messages. Just Pipecat. What was the demo URL? Good to see it. Hold. This one. Test. Why is this so soft? Oh. Yo, my bad. I should be better. What's this on? Yeah. Yo, test. What terrified I. Oh, that's down as well. Oh, down. Alright, anyone else have any other Gemini things I want to watch? We'll do a couple more and then probably leave it. 1 month ago submitted.
Been a while since I seen you.
I don't want to read.
Hi, I'm Hector Po. And today, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to use Alpha Cortex. What's the total expenses? Pesos.
Okay.
Visuals.
And meeting with
That it?
Hello, welcome to Conzo. This is an early prototype of Conzo Equity. Conzo Equity amplifies equity research. Get AI-powered insights at light speed and save time. To equity analysts, let's deliver the bit better.
Writing is difficult, but with the Gemini era, we've been given the power to change that. And here is the first step to that brighter future. This is Graphite, the next generation text editor with the first writing assistant that writes with you, not for you. It all starts with a simple yet powerful interface. On the left, you have your main editor for writing, and on the right, you have the Graphite AI chat panel. These two elements are deeply integrated, with Graphite aware of what you are writing and able to provide suggestions should you need it. Let's explore the power of Graphite by writing an invitation to Bobby's 10th birthday party. We start by telling Graphite what we're writing. Graphite, powered by the advanced Gemini 1.5 Pro model, will take this information to begin customizing your writing experience. Notice how Graphite extracts the formality, audience, intent, and a summary of what you're trying to write to save to long-term memory. Writing is a long and tedious process, but Graphite will still be able to recall long-term memory even hundreds of messages into the future. Combined with Gemini 1.5 Pro's state-of-the-art context length, it allows Graphite to be a powerful writing assistant. You can even directly change the memories that Graphite has given you, or modify them at any time with this gear icon. I think that everything Graphite has given me sounds good for now. Notice how Graphite doesn't write the entire email directly for you. Graphite's goal is to help you write when you need it, so that your creativity shines. Now let's specify how the party is dinosaur themed, at my house. Graphite has intelligently updated the summary in its memory to include our new details. Now that it has enough information, we can begin writing. Let's first ask Graphite to help us write a template for the email, powered by Gemini's tool Graphite has written. Then we can choose to dismiss the suggestion if we don't like it, or accept the suggestion, all by simply.
It's pretty cool.
And furthermore, no account is necessary. If you're starting a new document, you can simply tap the library tab to manage all of your files. Graphite chat instances are saved
and it's
per
open
document.
Source. Hell yeah, Evan. This is the first open source project we've seen. I should leave a comment for him.
Writing is difficult.
Great video too. Bro fell off. No, dude. Kind of want to watch. Oh, this is cool. Nice. React Tailwind. It's a way better readme than mine. Okay. Alright, should we keep looking? That one was a pretty nice one. Nice when things. So far it looks like Clickless is a lot better and more simple than any of these. When it works, yeah. No, for sure. I think if you can do one unique feature really well, it's better than just chucking in heaps of features and showing them off. Because it kind of distracts. Which is kind of like a trend we've been seeing. I wonder if I just write Gemini submission if we see anything. Oh, nice. Study companion, yeah, there's plenty of these, hey.
Cross-platform AI app that revolutionizes study and exam preparation. Accessible on both mobile and desktop, our three main features are Discuss AI, AI Exam, and AI Assessment. Our first feature is Discuss AI. Discuss AI can assist students in preparing presentations or engaging in discussions with AI partners. These AI partners simulate real people with diverse perspectives, offering a rich and varied learning experience.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Let's have a demo with John and Sheeran.
Hey there, I'm John, a friendly AI assistant. What can I do for you today?
Hi, I'm Sharon, John's partner in AI. We're here to help.
Gemini AI? That's Google's new big thing, right? It's supposed to be this super powerful AI model, kind of like a jack of all trades.
Yeah, they're calling it a multimodal AI, which means it can understand and interact with different types of information like text, images, videos, and even code. It's pretty impressive.
It's supposed to be better at reasoning and problem solving than previous models, and they're even talking about it being able to create new content.
Exams. Save you to prepare for success with AI Exam. Take practice exams tailored to your learning needs, helping you identify your strengths and areas for improvement. Let's talk about AI Assessment. Take a picture of your script so that AI can mark it for you. Attach your marking guide or any exam content.
There you go.
Meet My Shopping List, the Gemini AI-powered app that's about to revolutionize your shopping experience. With the Gemini API, simply point your camera at a product and the app does the rest. It recognizes the label, extracts information, and adds the item to your shopping list.
Submitted.
The total is automatically adjusted as you add or remove items, and it shows you when an item is checked off. Describe what you need in natural language, and the Gemini API transforms your words into items on your list. Your lists are saved in the cloud and can be synced across all your devices. Effortlessly create new shopping lists based on your past purchases, Gemini-generated lists, or from scratch. Track price changes over time and discover the best deals. You can also scan your receipts to share prices. You decide what to share. And
Write an email to my professor that I will not be able to come to college because I'm very sick.
I've prepared an email for you.
Like this demo.
Create a Google Sheets with this data. Also extract the title from this.
Nice. That's
I
cool.
created your Google Sheets. Please check it.
That's a cool feature. Hell yeah.
Create a document on explaining how electric motors works.
I've created your document. Please check it.
Which country is this in the map?
The country shown in the map is India.
Who's the author of this book? This dashboard, make it exactly same and use the awesome icon. Write an HTML code that will generate this dashboard, make it exactly same and use the awesome icons.
And then what does he
Well, I
render it?
generate the code for you. Click the button to download the file.
That's crazy.
¿Tú hablas español?
Sí, hablo español. ¿Cómo puedo ayudarte?
Oh shit, Spanish.
What did I ask you about a map?
You asked, which country is this? Referring to a map you showed me. I correctly identified the country as India.
Damn, memory.
Search for a YouTube video on Google Gemini API
Oh,
competition.
Dim Sum, what's up?
I'm searching for YouTube videos. Please check the side panel.
Yeah, could we show your submission on stream? Open source? No.
Hi there, welcome to my video. So for the competition, I have created a Chrome extension. It's called Gemini Companion. As you can see here, and it will give you the ability to chat with the model on the fly when you're surfing the web. So let's dive right into it. So to google.com, let's enter our API key. So when you enter the key, it's not verified yet, so it will bring up the chat box. So make sure you enter the correct key. Do a simple Google search here. So when you do a simple Google search, the model will give you like the suggestion based on what you have searched for, and you click on this to go to the link. And also the model will also give you the overview of the link that you are about to click on these searches. So as you see here, overview, mobility, and safety. So these are, I think, the important metric that the user want to see when they click on any link on the search website. Let's go into it. And in here, the chat box, like normally a chat box, you can just chat with normally. And beside that, you can also use this function here. It's called inspect elements. So basically, just let you inspect the whole div that can contain a string, and you can load the string in, turn this off, and then send to the model. And the model will try to summarize it for you, so you can know what you are doing. More than that, it can also work with, let's say, photo. Oops, I think I got the. Yep, so that's been sorted. Summarize the photo for you too. And more than that, it can also work for the PDF. You send it like to, and then we select the page there. It will load in the page for you, and then the model will also give you the summary of the PDF file. So what I aim to do with this extension is that it will give the user the ability to interact with the chat box on the fly on the.
Yeah, Dim Sum, the copyright music's fine. I think this stream's gonna get flagged anyway. I've just been loading whatever video. A YouTube channel summarizer or something.
Been a while since I've seen you around. Finally catching you here on my ground. You look good, I can tell you've been sleeping. Isn't this the kind of party you hate? I can tell what you think, and you'll always be making the worst of it all. Did you think by now I'd be crashing and burning straight through the wall? Same as I ever was. I do it all because life's too short to not live wild. Same as I ever was.
Do download documents from Drive. Oh, it can do mail, Drive, calendar. Oh, this is sick. Did it do? Wait, what did? Receive email message. Download to drive. Map. Having an agent, like an app that can do email, calendar, and drive and all that would be pretty good. It's stupid how Gemini, like Google themselves, don't have it. This is an old one from an old competition. Yeah, we got 10K views for this. Oh, he has 1 million subs. Looks like it's it. Oh, you got the link on Discord. Let's go. Where? DM? Yeah. Shit, is this you?
Hi, I'm Jonathan. I'm a computer science student at UCLA.
Let's go.
Hey there, I'm Jayu, a next-generation AI personal assistant powered by Google Gemini.
Oh,
Think
that's
Jarvis
nice.
from Iron Man, but powered by Google Gemini. Jayu exists on the computer instead of a chat window, allowing you to help you with literally anything. But let's start the basics first. Hey Gemini, what research has Google DeepMind been doing recently? Jayu is able to surf on the web using Chrome on its own, selecting its own search keywords and analyzing page layouts in real time to address users' every need.
Google DeepMind recently released Gemini.
Jayu can even keep using the same web page if it already has one open. Hey Gemini, can you open up that article about AI and the International Math Olympiad?
This is
You're
awesome.
already on the article. It's called...
Jayu is also capable of analyzing information that it sees on any page and generating content based on its context. Hey Gemini.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
Take a look at my screen and memorize this neural network architecture. Jayu is looking at my screen, analyzing both the diagram and text, and memorizing relevant information in its own external memory.
Okay, I've memorized the neural network architecture.
Hey Gemini, I have Jupyter Notebook open now. Can you write out the neural network code for this using TensorFlow? Jayu is now recalling this information and in order to write me code based on what it saw in the paper.
No way.
Hey
Wow.
Gemini, I changed my mind. Can you write it in PyTorch? Pretty cool, right?
This is so good.
But let's be honest, just being able to use Chrome isn't good enough. That's why Jayu is capable of using absolutely any window that you have open in order to assist you. Wait, what do I mean by any window? I mean any window, like Minecraft or even Spotify. Hey Gemini, look at my open Spotify window and find me some songs from Hamilton, then start playing one. And using Gemini's powerful vision capabilities, Jayu can quickly and accurately identify the buttons that it needs and interact with applications just like a user would.
Bullshit. This is so good if true.
What if I want Jayu to keep giving me constant feedback, like a live translation of a Korean comic?
Got it. Let me know when you're ready.
Crazy if
This
true.
place seems like the real deal. This is the first time something like this has happened. Hey, is it dangerous?
This is what everyone's aiming
Jayu
for.
will continue to execute his task until the user changes screen or gives a new command. Jayu can do it all, from writing emails to finding eco-friendly alternatives of cars to literally detecting lung cancer from an X-ray. But I almost forgot the best part. Jayu has built-in gesture recognition, powered by state-of-the-art pose estimation and computer vision models, allowing users to scroll up and down with the wave of a hand.
Get out of here.
So, hey Jayu, are you ready to
That
win
was
the
such a
2024
random
Google Gemini
feature.
API competition?
Absolutely. I'm here to win.
Nice. Oh shit, Jayu's Korean? Wait, that says Jayu. Dude, that was actually crazy. That's definitely the best one we've seen. Damn, Jonathan. So you reckon that's a real demo? Everything in the demo is 100% real, says Jonathan. That's crazy. If I had to pick, I'd pick that one. Jayu is Korean for freedom. Hell yeah. All right, I think I'm gonna leave it there. If someone can send me the timestamps for each of the different projects, I'll give you $2 US. But yeah, thanks for joining, and I'll see you later. Probably.